Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to increase the Windows update download speed. So for this you have to click on the start button, then you have to search for the troubleshoot settings from here, and once you click on the troubleshoot settings you have to click on the other troubleshooters, and after that you have to click on the Windows update run option from here, and if you click on run it will take a couple of seconds and it will simply run the troubleshooters from here, and it will simply check if you have any problem in your device in software or hardware. After that you have to click on the start button again, then you have to search for the settings option from here, and once you're in the settings option you have to click on the Windows update from the left hand side, and then you have to click on the advanced options from here, then you have to choose the delivery optimization from the below, and after that here you have to make sure the allow download from other devices turned off, and here in the download options you have to make sure that all of the options is unchecked, and here in the upload options you have to make sure this is also turned off, and make sure this all of the three options is here in turned off, because it will simply it will simply give a limitations to your bandwidth. And after that you have to simply close your window, and now you can just check your settings and check your update is currently working now. So it is as simple as that, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video.